So let me now work on these. So for these, I'm gonna be displaying the second one. I'm gonna display it in the center of the screen, in the center of the element. So it's gonna be centered vertically as well as horizontally. Whereas the last one, I'm gonna center this vertically, but I'm gonna display it on the right side. So to do this, I'm gonna copy this code and I'm gonna paste it 2 times. So the second time, the first time 1 nth child 1. The second time nth child 2. Because we want the second time, we want to access the details of the second child. So the details, this is the first child, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So if I say the second nth child, I'm accessing these details. So for these details, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna say here align items center, and the text align is also gonna be center. For the one nth child 3, this is gonna be 3. I'm gonna say align items flex end, and the text align is gonna be end or left or left. You can say or right. You can say right. Let me show you now what's gonna happen if I refresh. As you can see, if I refresh, this is gonna be centered vertically and horizontally, and this is gonna be centered vertically, but it's gonna be displayed on the left side, and this is gonna be centered vertically, but horizontally it's gonna be displayed on the right side. And whenever you hover over these, whenever you hover over the buttons, the button will turn to an orange color. Also, I'm gonna add a hover effect to the card itself, to the object itself. So to do this, remember we have the details, we have this details. We can say here, we can say new, and then .1, and then details, and then I'm gonna say hover. So upon hovering, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna change the background color. I'm gonna say background, and then I'm gonna change the background color to, let's say, let's select a color. Let me here say corn silk. Let's try this one. So if I refresh, as you can see, if you hover, this is gonna look like, this is how it's gonna look like. And I think it looks amazing. I think the color is great. This color is just great. Or you can even select another color, because this is very bright. We need a color that works well with this with the text color. So you can, for example, use the dark gold Dendrod. I think this one would look amazing. I think this one is better. So you can use this or the other one. So I'm gonna go back to the old one, to the one that I chose first, which is the corn silk. I think the corn silk looks amazing. Now let me refresh, and I think the corn silk looks amazing.